Hey everyone, and welcome! Today we're diving deep into the world of cleaning, but with a natural twist. We're talking about the incredible cleaning power of vinegar, specifically for our floors. You might be thinking, vinegar? On my floors? Trust me, after this video, you'll be wondering why you haven't been using it all along. Stick around to discover the surprising benefits of mopping with vinegar, and get ready to transform your cleaning routine. Let's be real. A clean floor is about more than just appearances. It's about creating a safe and healthy environment for you and your loved ones. When we see a floor that sparkles, it gives us a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. But beyond the shine, there's an important aspect we often overlook. We want those floors sparkling, but we also want them free from hidden nasties. Dirt and grime can harbor bacteria and other harmful microorganisms that are not visible to the naked eye. These hidden threats can pose health risks, especially for children and pets who spend a lot of time on the floor. That's where vinegar truly shines. This humble kitchen staple is not just for cooking. It has been used for centuries as a natural cleaning agent. Its acidic nature makes it effective in breaking down grime and killing bacteria. Vinegar possesses these natural antibacterial properties, making it a powerful weapon against germs. When mixed with water, it creates a solution that can tackle even the toughest stains and bacteria. It's an eco-friendly alternative to chemical cleaners, which can be harsh and leave residues. Think about all the traffic our floors see. Feet, paws, the occasional dropped food, we've all been there. Every step we take can bring in dirt and germs from outside. Pets, with their curious noses and paws, can also contribute to the mess. And let's not forget those accidental spills and crumbs that find their way to the floor. Mopping with a vinegar solution helps eliminate those invisible troublemakers, giving you peace of mind and a truly clean floor. The process is simple. Just mix equal parts of water and vinegar, and you're ready to go. As you mop, the vinegar works its magic, cutting through grime and disinfecting the surface. The result is a floor that not only looks clean, but is genuinely free from harmful bacteria. For those who might be concerned about the strong smell of vinegar, there's a simple solution. You can add a few drops of essential oils, like lavender or lemon, to the mixture. This not only masks the vinegar smell, but also adds a pleasant fragrance to your home. Plus, many essential oils have their own antibacterial properties, giving your cleaning solution an extra boost. Vinegar isn't just limited to floors. Its versatility makes it an excellent choice for cleaning various surfaces around your home. From countertops to bathrooms, vinegar can tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks. It's a cost-effective and natural way to maintain a clean and healthy living space. Unlike many commercial cleaners, vinegar doesn't contain harsh chemicals that can be harmful to your health and the environment. It's a safe option for households with children, pets, or anyone with sensitivities to strong chemicals. By choosing vinegar, you're making a conscious decision to protect your family and the planet. So the next time you're faced with a cleaning task, consider reaching for that bottle of vinegar. It's a simple, effective, and eco-friendly solution that has stood the test of time. With vinegar, you can achieve a clean home that not only looks good but also feels good, knowing that it's free from harmful germs and chemicals. Embrace the power of vinegar and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a truly clean home. Your floors, your surfaces, and your family will thank you. Happy cleaning. We've all been there. That moment of dread when something spills, leaving a mark that seems determined to become a permanent fixture. Whether it's a cup of coffee tipping over on your favorite table, a glass of red wine splashing onto the carpet during a lively dinner party, or a juice box exploding on the kitchen counter, these accidents can feel like a disaster. But don't worry, there's a simple solution that you probably already have in your pantry. Before you panic, remember the power of vinegar. This humble household staple is more than just a cooking ingredient. It's a versatile cleaning agent that can tackle a variety of stains and messes. Vinegar's slightly acidic nature acts as a natural stain remover. When you pour it onto a stain, it starts to break down the particles that cause the discoloration. This makes it easier to lift the stain from the surface, whether it's fabric, carpet, or a hard floor. It breaks down those stubborn, stuck-on messes that regular cleaning might miss. For instance, if you have a tough stain on your kitchen counter or a sticky residue on your dining table, vinegar can help dissolve the grime and make it easier to wipe away. Just apply a little vinegar, let it sit for a few minutes, and then scrub with a cloth. Whether it's a coffee splattering, a muddy paw print, or that mystery stain you can't quite identify, vinegar is here to help. Coffee stains can be particularly stubborn, but vinegar can penetrate the stain and break it down. Muddy paw prints from your furry friends can also be tackled with vinegar, making your floors look clean and fresh again. And for those unidentified stains that seem to appear out of nowhere, vinegar is a reliable go-to. A little vinegar goes a long way in restoring your floor's shine. Not only does it clean, but it also leaves a pleasant, fresh scent. To use vinegar for floor cleaning, simply mix it with water in a bucket and mop as usual. You'll be amazed at how it can transform dull, dirty floors into gleaming surfaces. Plus, it's a natural and eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. So next time you face a spill or a stubborn stain, reach for the vinegar and see the magic for yourself. In today's world, it's more important than ever to make conscious choices about the products we use in our homes. With increasing awareness about the impact of our daily habits on the environment, many people are seeking out more sustainable and eco-friendly alternatives. This shift in mindset is not just a trend, but a necessary evolution towards a healthier planet and a healthier lifestyle. Many conventional cleaning products contain harsh chemicals that can be harmful to both our health and the environment. These products often include ingredients like ammonia, bleach, and phthalates, which can cause respiratory issues, skin irritation, and other health problems. Moreover, when these chemicals are washed down the drain, they can contaminate water supplies and harm aquatic life. The long-term effects of these pollutants on our ecosystems are still being studied, but the evidence so far is concerning. Vinegar offers a refreshing alternative. This humble household staple, made from fermented ethanol, has been used for centuries for its cleaning and disinfecting properties. Unlike many commercial cleaners, vinegar is biodegradable and does not contribute to the buildup of toxic chemicals in the environment. Its versatility makes it an excellent choice for a wide range of cleaning tasks, from kitchens and bathrooms to windows and floors. It's completely natural and non-toxic, so you can clean with confidence knowing you're not releasing harmful fumes into your home or contributing to environmental pollution. Vinegar's acetic acid content makes it effective at cutting through grease, dissolving mineral deposits, and eliminating odors. Whether you're dealing with stubborn stains on your countertops or soap scum in your shower, vinegar can handle the job without the need for harsh chemicals. Plus, it's gentle on your skin, making it a great choice for those with sensitivities. Many people with allergies or skin conditions find that traditional cleaning products exacerbate their symptoms. Vinegar, on the other hand, is less likely to cause irritation, making it a safer option for households with children, pets, or anyone with sensitive skin. Additionally, using vinegar can reduce the need for multiple specialized cleaning products, simplifying your cleaning routine and reducing waste. You can even customize your vinegar cleaning solutions by adding a few drops of essential oils for a pleasant scent and additional cleaning power. Popular choices include lavender, tea tree, and lemon oils, which not only smell great, but also have their own antibacterial and antifungal properties. This allows you to create a personalized, eco-friendly cleaning arsenal that meets your specific needs and preferences. From cleaning your refrigerator to wiping down surfaces and tackling bathroom grime, vinegar proves to be a versatile and effective cleaning agent. Its affordability and availability make it accessible to everyone, regardless of budget. By choosing vinegar over conventional cleaners, you're making a small but significant step towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Every little bit helps when it comes to protecting our planet and promoting a healthier home environment. So next time you're reaching for a cleaning product, consider the eco-friendly advantage of vinegar. It's a simple switch that can have a big impact on your health, your home, and the environment. Together, we can make a difference, one cleaning task at a time. Have you ever spent time meticulously mopping your floors, only to step back and see streaks left behind? It's frustrating, right? Vinegar comes to the rescue once again. Unlike some cleaning products that can leave a dull residue, vinegar cleanses and evaporates, leaving behind a sparkling, streak-free shine. Your floors will look like they've been professionally cleaned, all thanks to the power of vinegar. Let's be honest, cleaning supplies can put a dent in your budget. But here's the best part about vinegar: it's incredibly affordable. A large bottle of vinegar can last you through countless cleaning sessions, making it a budget-friendly option for maintaining a sparkling clean home. And the best part? You don't need to search high and low for it. Vinegar is readily available at any grocery store. So ditch those expensive chemical-laden cleaners and embrace the simple, effective cleaning power of vinegar. There you have it, 5 surprising benefits of mopping with vinegar. It's a natural disinfectant, a powerful stain remover, eco-friendly, leaves a streak-free shine, and it's incredibly affordable. So, ditch the harsh chemicals and embrace the natural cleaning power of vinegar. Your floors and your wallet will thank you. If you enjoyed these tips, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning hacks and home tips. Until next time, happy cleaning!